Hi, I'm Amy Stewart. I'm a writer and an artist. New York is one of my favorite cities in the world. I think I've done more paintings of New York City than anywhere else. Every time I go, I fill up a sketchbook, I take hundreds of pictures like these, and I work from them when I get home. And you know, what I love the most are these shots looking right down the middle of one of New York's busy avenues. Now, New York City is fairly flat, and the streets are pretty straight. That means that it's the perfect place to study simple one-point perspective and really get it right. So in this class, we're going to focus on the one skill you really need to paint a city like New York, and that is perspective. We're going to use Manhattan as our laboratory and look at the fundamentals of perspective. We'll work out how to identify your horizon line and your vanishing point. We'll see how all the lines in an image like this converge to that vanishing point. We'll start a drawing by laying down some perspective lines to help guide us. And then, once those guidelines are in place, I think you'll be surprised at how quickly you can create an accurate drawing. If you can get this piece right, you can be really free and loose with your drawing and painting, just by nailing the perspective and making sure all those major shapes are in the right place. You're then going to be able to set yourself free, and you can be imaginative and playful with everything that comes after that. This is easy to learn and it's fun to practice, so let's get going.